Hello, my name is Tok. I just would like to introduce you about my country, Thailand, and now I live in Bangkok. I'm gonna give you some tips or some place that or the food or something in general about Thailand, and maybe you will have some idea in case you like to travel here. So hope you enjoy later on with my videos and see you for the next time. Bye bye. Hello, today I'm at the fish tank and I would like to record some fish. In the tank here is there have like 10 golden fish, and actually I would like to record for how you can feed them by yourself, just like feeding with your own fingers to and let them come to eat it but from your hands. So basically I'm gonna feed them with we call it like non dang, it means like red worm. So because it's a fresh fruit and it's like a kind of a frozen one, so I'm gonna show you. It's gonna be like this. Yeah, that is called non dang, which can be very good for giving to the golden fish because they can grow quicker, and also it's a kind like because it's a fresh food, not like a kind of a things that you always feed with the preserved one, with the like a kind of normal fish food. So basically for the fresh one like red worm, it can help the golden fish grow quicker and have more like a kind like very good for circulation system for their own bladder and intestine. So basically this is the thing that we're gonna do today, and I try to record it when I feed them with my own hands. So we'll see. Now I'm gonna come closer and gonna feed them. You can see how hungry they are, and you can even play with them because they know actually that they have a tube there, like a cow filter, that we put the red worm inside and they can nibble bit by bit. But basically now I just feed with my own hand and they come and eat it. And you can even touch them as well. Because this is a young baby goldfish, basically they know how to eat it, where to find their own feed and their own food. So now they come and eat it. Now all finished and all the red worm, a little bit left, they're gonna come and nibble. I'm gonna feed them more one. Normally I give them around 4 cubes per day, 4 to 5 cubes per day, not more than that. And I will give them like a kind of a fresh one as well. I put more here, you can see they will come and they can nibble over there. So this one is actually this one is red worm. This is quite fresh and it's just like a live one, but it's just like make it or squeeze it, squash it to be a cube and to feed the golden fish, and they will know exactly where they can get their food. So that's why they come. And I've already show you. Sometimes you can feed them with your own fingers or your own hand, but don't forget that you have to clean your hand properly first before you feed them because they're quite sensitive, and if your hands dirty, maybe it can bring them to have some disease later when they just like their immune is lower. because they are quite a baby one. So I'm gonna show you another one here. That what I mean is like a kind of a seed, seeded like a ball, a small one, small ball for feeding them. That is a preserved one normally. When you can take that one as well and feed them. Because at the moment I try to feed them more than usual because I would like them to go quicker, because we put them in a very nice fish tank, like a kind of a box, you know, like this one, and we put the oxygen, we change the water quite often so they can go quicker and faster, and also the color of them gonna be look nicer as well when you feed them properly with everything, with the oxygen, clean water, fresh food for help them for, you know, running their stomach out, and also with the seed ball fish feed that they can have also. That's usual normal fish food. Okay, I'm gonna start to show you a little bit about how I put them in the tank. Normally I will give them like 1 spoon like this. So once I have it like that, I'm gonna put them, they know exactly we're gonna put in front that you can see, basically you can see that they come and they know exactly that, oh, that food is coming. I just put it under the water a little bit and then turn upside down and let the food come down, and you can see how they eat it. The fish bowl, the one that they can eat, is just under the water and they start to come down and nibble. So I'm gonna give them like this for like every 2 hours or 3 hours to stimulate them, encourage them to, you know, like grow quicker and more fast, go bigger and faster. But they're quite a baby one, so we will see how it goes. But I hopefully that I just got them around like 3-4 days ago, and then in a month normally they can go quicker as well. So I just gonna put it down a little bit and then just see how it's gonna be, how they swim. And you can see the oxygen is also quite a little bit like, you know, like more waver, because they can exercise more and they can swim better, like exercise, you know, when they got like a kind of a wave more, not too like too smooth and no rough water. So basically they have to exercise more. So I hope you enjoy the fish, and I see you for the next time. Bye bye. So now we just sharing the way that you can see we just put the worm, the frozen worm for the fish to eat. So it's in the like a kind of a tube, like a kind of filter, and then they will come and they can smell, they will come and they start to eat it. Nibble, nibble, nibble. You can see that.
กินนะ
กินดิกินใหญ่เลยมาต่อเดี๋ยวเลย ถ้าเราหยิบออกมามันจะกินนะกินกับมือเรา
กิน
อืม มือคือต้องไปล้างก่อนเนาะ I'm just asking my brother that if I just take it out and then feed them by hand I think they're gonna eat from my hand as wellกินใหญ่เลยอ่ะหิวI think they are very hungry So this is the day one that we just put them in the pond and then we will observe and see how fast they can grow and then after that we will record more for the next time. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye bye. Hello. So now it's a new goldfish in the pond that we just put them in and then my brother try to feed them and they can come and eat it from his hand. เดี๋ยวจะตั้งกล้องไว้อย่างนี้รอดูว่ามันจะมาหามือที่เล็กก่อนนะ Be patient.จะกินตรงนั้น So this is a new fish we have altogether 10 fishes in the pond and 8 of them like a baby and 2 of them is a bit growing up older one Thank you. Hello. Today I just want to let you see how the koi fish gonna eat from hands. So we just try to train him. My brother just try to help and like train them to come and eat from the hands. So maybe have to be patient and wait and see when they come. ให้เขาถ่ายเพราะมือต้องฟังต้องยืด In the meantime, I just try to show you around with the different color of the koi fish.
What I see is this poo from the fish on the top. So it's fine. We're gonna finish the clip here and maybe come back the next time. So at least you can see how beautiful it is. So thank you for watching and see you for the next time. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching my videos, and if you have any comment or any idea or anything that you would like to know about Thailand or Bangkok, just let me know. I will try to find the answer for you. And it would be great if you can support my channel by press the like or give me the subscribe. So it will be help to and support my channel. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye bye.